Still sore 2 days after your workout? Or waking up stiff after long hours at a desk? A good massage gun can seriously change how fast your body recovers. From deep tissue percussion to smart app-guided therapy, these are the best massage guns in 2026 that actually help you recover faster and move better. The TheraGun Prime Plus is designed for serious home recovery without being overwhelming. It delivers powerful percussive therapy with adjustable speed settings that target deep muscle tension effectively. The ergonomic triangular handle design makes it easy to reach difficult areas like the upper back and shoulders without straining your wrist. It also integrates smart features that guide your sessions and ensure you're applying the right amount of pressure. The motor runs relatively quiet while still delivering strong amplitude for deep muscle penetration. If you want professional-grade recovery performance in a simplified package, the Prime Plus is a strong mid to high tier choice. The Hypervolt 2 Pro focuses on smooth power delivery and connected recovery. It features multiple speed levels with a strong motor capable of penetrating deep muscle groups without excessive vibration noise. The device feels balanced and stable during use, reducing hand fatigue even during longer sessions. Its Bluetooth connectivity pairs with the Hypers app, allowing you to follow guided recovery routines based on your activity level. This makes it ideal for athletes or gym goers who want structured recovery instead of guessing. The build quality is premium, and the overall experience feels polished and professional. The Ekrin Athletics B37 stands out for its balance between performance and comfort. It delivers deep percussion with a strong stall force, meaning it doesn't slow down when you apply pressure to tight muscle areas. The angled handle design improves ergonomics and makes self-massage easier on the lower back and legs. Battery life is another strong point, offering extended sessions without frequent recharging. The B37 runs quieter than many competitors in its category, which makes it more comfortable to use at home. For those looking for powerful recovery at a slightly more accessible price point, this model offers strong value. The TheraGun Pro Plus is the most advanced option on this list. It goes beyond basic percussive therapy by incorporating additional recovery tools like heat therapy and advanced muscle sensing. The high stall force and adjustable speeds allow for deep tissue targeting, making it suitable for athletes and serious fitness enthusiasts. Its premium build and customizable attachments make it extremely versatile for full-body use. While it sits at the higher end of the price spectrum, it offers the most complete recovery toolkit. If you want near-professional therapy at home, this is the top-tier choice. The TheraGun Mini 3rd generation focuses on portability without sacrificing effectiveness. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry in a gym bag or travel kit. Despite its small size, it still delivers strong percussion for quick muscle relief after workouts or long travel days. Its simplified controls make it beginner-friendly, and the compact design allows easy one-handed operation. While it doesn't match the depth or power of larger models, it's perfect for quick recovery sessions and daily muscle maintenance. If portability matters most, this is the ideal companion. Recovery isn't optional if you train hard or sit long hours. The right massage gun can reduce soreness, improve circulation, and help you stay consistent. Whether you want compact convenience or professional-level therapy, there's an option here that fits your lifestyle. Now tell me, are you going full PRO or keeping it portable?